Okay, student, start the new chapter number 3. Topic is trigonometric function and their angles. Class 11th, exercise 3.1. This is very important chapter, trigonometric function. Trigonometric function we are studying in also class 10th, and this chapter study in also class 12th. So this is very important chapter related to the class 11th and class 12th. Okay student, first of all define trigonometry. What is the trigonometry? Trigonometry means measurement of triangle. Measurement of triangle. So trigonometry is also measurement of the triangle. Measurement of triangle in the form of angle. Which in form of angle. The first question is create which type of triangle? Which type of triangle? Means right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle is also 90 degree. One angle is also 90 degree. 90 degrees. Draw the Cartesian axis. X-axis, positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis, and both axes intersect at point O. Point O is called origin. Suppose student, this is the slope. P is point lie on the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. First quadrant is always positive, means x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Second quadrant student, x less than 0, y greater than 0. Third quadrant, x less than 0, y less than 0. Fourth quadrant, x greater than 0 and y less than 0. So this is very important student. So suppose P is the point lie on the first quadrant. From the point P is perpendicular on x-axis. Suppose this point is M. PM perpendicular to x-axis. The distance of OM is x. The distance of OM is called of CSR, and the distance of PM is equal to y. And the angle between the x-axis anti-clockwise. The angle between slope and x-axis is theta. This is very important. The opposite side of the theta, the opposite side of the theta is called perpendicular. Perpendicular denoted by P. The opposite side of the theta means y is also called the perpendicular denoted by P, and the opposite side of the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is denoted by H, and the third side is also called base. The third side is also called base. So this is very important student. The opposite side of the theta is called perpendicular. The opposite side of the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. And third side is base. And very important, when the theta, this is the OX axis. OX axis moving anti-clockwise, then angle is also moving anti-clock, then angle is plus theta, and OX axis moving clockwise, then angle is minus theta. Very very important student. When OX axis moving anti-clockwise, then angle is also plus theta, and OX is moving to clockwise, then measurement angle is minus theta. Okay student, write them. Next topic student, measurement of angle. Measurement of angle. In class 9th, there are two type of measurement of the angle. First is radian form, and second degree form. First is radian form and second degree form. First create question, what is the radian form? Radian form is, suppose this is the circular path, O is the center, OA is the radius of the circle. When the radius of circle is equal to the arc of circle, arc of length, this is arc of length. If the length of arc AB is equal to radius of circle, if the length of arc AB is equal to radius of circle, then angle AOB is equal to 1 radian, or 1 radian is denoted by, radian is also denoted by 1 radian. Angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. Okay student, next, radian is also denoted by pi. Pi is irrational number. And the value of 22/7 or 3.1415 is rational number. The value of pi. And in the angle form, pi is equal to 180 degree. So this is the radian form, or this is degree form. And pi by 2 is also equal to 90 degree, pi by 3 is also equal to 60 degree, pi by 4 is also equal to student 45 degree, and pi by 6 is also equal to 30 degree. So pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4 and pi by 6 is denote the in form of radian form, and 180, 90, 60, 45 and 30 is also denote the degree form. Okay student, write them. We know that the angle of the center is also 360 degree, or 360 degree is also equal to 2 pi radian. Okay student, pi radian is equal to 360 upon 2, cancel out 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree upon pi, then 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi in form of degree. So okay student, convert the radian in form of degree form. So then 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi. Okay student. Second, degree form. Degree form is denoted by same. We know that know that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to 2 pi upon 360. Cancel out 180. So 1 degree is equal to 1 pi upon 180 radian. Convert the degree in form of radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. This is very important combination. 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree and 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Write down, student. Next, very important, one right angle is equal to 90 degree. One right angle is equal to 90 degree and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So next, one right angle is equal to 90 degree and 1 degree is also equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is also equal to 60 seconds. Okay, student. First question. Find the degree form. Radian form is given. Find the degree form. The first question is pi by 6 in the form of radian form. Convert the degree form. Pi by 6 into 180 upon pi. Pi cancel. 6 3s are 180 is also equal to 30 degree. Okay, student. Radian form is given. Convert the degree form. Number 2 question. 4 pi by 5 in form of radian. 4 pi by 5 is also equal to 4 pi by 5 into 180 upon 5. Radian, the value of the radian is converted in form of degree form. So 180 upon pi is cancelled. 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30 is equal to 4 into 36 is equal to 144 degree. Next question, 1.2. Question number 3rd. 1.2 in the form of radian form. Convert the degree to 1.2 into 180 upon pi and the value of the pi is equal to 22 by 7. 1.2 into 18 into 10 upon 22 by 7. 1.2 into 10 is equal to, student, 12 into 18 into 7 upon 22. Cancel out is equal to 68 degree, 68.72 degree. So in form of degree form, okay student, write them 68.72 degree. Next question, find the radian form. Find the radian form. Student, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. We know that before we have proved that 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180. The degree form is given. Convert the radian form. 25 into pi upon 180. 5 5s are 25. 5 36 are 180. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30 is also equal to 5 pi by 36 in the form of radian form. Next question, 240 into pi upon 180. 240 pi upon 180. 0 0 cancel. 6 4 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18 is also equal to 4 pi by 3 in the form of radian form. Third question is very important, student. 7 degree 30 minutes. 7 degree 30 minutes convert the radian form. So first of all 30 minutes convert the degree form, then after convert the radian form. So first of all, student, write them. 7 degree plus 30 upon 60 degree. 0 0 cancel. 3 2 ja 6, because 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, then 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 degree. Applying this question, to 7 plus 7 degree plus 1 by 2 degree is also equal to 15 by 2 degree. Convert the radian form. 15 by 2 degree, 15 by 2 into pi upon 180. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30. 3 pi upon 36 2s are 72 radian. Also 3 cancel. 3 2 just 6, 3 4 ja 12 is equal to pi upon 24 radian. Write them, student. Question number 4. 45 degree 20 minute 10 second. So very important, student. We know that 1 degree is also equal to 60 minute. 1 minute is also equal to 60 second. Same similarly, 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree, and 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute, and 1 upon 60 into 60 second. Okay, student, means 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 degree. So very important, applying this question. Question 4th, 45 degree 20 minute and 10 second. First of all, 20 minute convert the degree form, and 10 second convert the minute, and minute is convert degree. Also solve the question. 45 degree 20 minute plus 10 second. 45 degree 20 upon 60 degree 10 upon 60 into 60. Convert in the form of degree form. 0 0 cancel. 2 3s are 6. 0 0 cancel. 45 degree plus 1 by 3 degree plus 1 upon 360 degree. Take the LCM. 360. 45 into 360 is also equal to 16,200 plus 120 plus 16,200 degree plus 120 degree plus 1 degree upon 360 is also equal to 16,321 degree upon 360 in the form of, student, degree form. Convert the radian form. 16,321 upon 360 into pi upon 180. So 16,321 into 22 upon 360 into 180 into 7 in the form of radian form. Okay, student, in the form of radian form is also equal to approximately 0.79 radian. 0.79 radian. Okay, student, this is the answer. Write down.